Good day, everyone. I'm Judy Anlikigan, a basic criminology student. Today, I want to talk about something that affects many of us: low self confidence. It's that a little voice in our heads that makes us doubt our abilities, question our worth, and sometimes even stop us from pursuing our dreams. Low self confidence can come from many sources: negative experience, fear of failure, or even the unrealistic standards set by the society. When we constantly compare ourselves to others, we start believing that we are not good enough, smart enough, or talented enough. But the truth is, confidence is not something we are born with, it's something we can build. So, how do we overcome low self confidence? First, we must recognize that failure is a part of growth. Every successful person has faced setbacks, but they kept going. Instead of focusing on what we lack, we should focus on our strengths and celebrate a small achievement. Then, second, we need to change how we talk to ourselves. If we constantly criticize ourselves, we will start believing in our own negativity. Instead, we should practice self affirmation, reminding ourselves of our worth, abilities, and potential. Then, lastly, surround yourself with positivity. The people we spend the time with influence our mindset. Choose to be around those who uplift and encourage to rather than those who bring you down. Confidence is not about being perfect. It's about believing yourself despite imperfection. So, let's take a small step each day. Challenge our fears and trust in our ability to grow. That's all. Thank you.